Put the fish on top.
One fish, two fish, three fish, four.
No, red fish, blue fish.
Oh, yeah.
Red fish,
Dr.
blue fish.
Seuss.
Yeah.
Cover the fish with sea salt, please. Cover very well. Very well. About 1 centimeter of sea salt everywhere, on the bottom and on the top of the fish. Not too much, but you need a small cross. One finger, but one finger of sea salt everywhere.
Okay. That's pretty good guessing. Wow. You're good, Charlie.
It's a compliment.
You should have a restaurant.
This is the first, I'm sorry.
Some more.
You should have a restaurant.
I do.
I know.
I'm sorry for not having any fun.
I know. So disappointing.
More salt, please. A bit more.
If you like it, we'll just help.
Cover very well everywhere.
It's amazing you don't put any herbs like.
No, because I love natural food.
Okay.
No, I love natural food. This recipe is wonderful because if you cover with sea salt, the sea salt become a crust and you don't need sea salt. You don't need oil, you don't need nothing. You eat, the fish is humid at the end. You cook the fish with a wonderful natural taste.
So the fish itself has its own flavor, and the salt brings it out.
If you like herbs, I cook with